Welcome friends. Now we will discuss regarding creation of line in AutoCAD. In order to invoke a line command in AutoCAD, we have to go to Home tab, then Draw Panel, Line command. So you just left click here in order to invoke the command. Have clicked here. Now it is asking for the first point. Manually select in the graphical area. Just left click. Then you can observe a ribbon kind of a line here that stretches from the first selected point to the actual position of the cursor. Now we can select the second point. It is asking for the second point. You can just click here, left click using the mouse. Then you can terminate this or you can continue. In order to terminate this command, you have to use the buttons escape or enter button or space tab button. I am using enter button. Just press enter button once. In order to start this command once again, press enter button twice. Now you can observe here the second line started generating. Now the first point for the second line is the last point for the first line. You can select the second point here. In order to terminate this, either you can press escape button or enter button or space tab button, or you can right click the mouse and then either enter or cancel button you can press it. Now to once again use the command, you can right click in the graphical area and select repeat line. If you want to generate only horizontal line, you can use ortho command, or you can press F8, that is nothing but ortho mode. Just go to ortho mode. Here you can select the, you can draw the lines either in horizontal manner or in vertical manner. There are 4 different possibilities, one at 0 degree, the other one 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degrees. You can draw here. In order to draw the inclined lines, what you can do is you can just switch off the ortho mode. In the earlier session we had discussed regarding creation of the inclined line. Now we can see other possibilities of drawing the lines. In order to draw the lines manually, you need to have some predefined points. I can use the point command and generate some points here as per my requirement. I can go to PD mode or DDP type to change the graphical representation of the point. You can see here the graphical representation got changed. You can invoke the line command and then select these 2 points. In order to select these 2 points, what you can do is after invoking this line command, it will ask for the first point, then press control button in the keyboard and then a right button in the mouse. Then you can select node in order to select the point. Then place the cursor on top of this and then left click and then continue the process. Press control button, right mouse button also you have to press, then select node and then select another point, move the cursor on the another point and then left click on the other point, and then you can press escape button or enter button or space tab, or you can right click and then press enter or cancel in order to terminate this command. So apart from this, if you know the coordinates for the line precisely, instead of drawing the points, you can directly enter the coordinates. Suppose I want to generate a line which starts at 500, 500. I have to enter the first point as 500, 500. I have to enter the other coordinate as well. Now I am entering the other coordinate as 1000, 750. Now the line got generated. If you want to terminate, you can terminate, or you can, if you want to continue, you can continue as per your requirement. In order to generate only the horizontal lines, you can invoke ortho mode. After that, you can generate the lines, that is direct distance method. You can see here first point I have selected. Now 500 distance I want to maintain, so enter 500. You need not have to enter the coordinates, 2 coordinates. You have to enter only the distance from the first point to the second point. After that, press enter button Now it is asking for the second point. If you want to draw the vertical line, you can draw vertical line. Now I want to draw a vertical line which is of 400 mm length. Then draw it. Then change the direction using the mouse. Just you need not have to press either left or right button. You have to just hold the mouse and then move either in left direction or right direction temporarily. So I want to create the line in this direction, so I am moving the mouse in this direction. Now enter the distance in this direction. I am entering 500, and after that I want to terminate in the first point. In order to terminate in the first point, you need not have to enter the distance once again, just use C, that is close. Now I entered it here, so closed entity got generated. This is how the line command can be used in AutoCAD. In the previous session already we have discussed regarding the creation of the inclined line. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to the videos. Keep watching.